behind the house looking over the cliff. You see the end of the ice jam. It's all clear that way. Looking down river. She is jammed solid. All the water is spilling into the park, the picnic area. The road is closed going through the park. That right there is the pond. It's all gushing into the pond. What we don't need right now is a freeze. It stopped raining. A nice rain would really get this going, but if this freezes solid now, oh boy. I went down earlier and the water was gushing over the road. It must have gotten a lot worse for them to close the road.